Ren opens his bento box made by his chef dad. Hana, his friend peeks over. Hana says, "Your lunch always looks so good. Why don't you cook for me?" Ha, maybe next time. But inside, he is afraid. Ren wants to learn cooking. His dad says cooking needs discipline. Who's the girl? Papa asks. No one. They start small, like eggs. Ren burns the egg, but Papa Kenji laughs and teaches him again. Cooking takes love, not just heat. After days of trying, Ren packs a lunch that he made. At lunch, he places the box in front of Hana. Hana's eyes widen. You cooked? She takes a bite, says, "It's really good." Ren is super happy. Ren tells his dad. She liked it, Papa says. Told you, cooking is love. So kids, the moral of the story is, the best things we make are the ones we make for someone else.